Very good morning students. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss about the 30th dated assignment key for the class 9 and the topic is self, its structure and function. This total assignment is for 10 marks. In this we are having 2 Romans. In first Roman total 6 objectives are there. Each one carry 1 mark. In the second Roman 2 short question and answers are there. Each one carry 2 marks. And coming to the answers, the first one, dash encloses the cytoplasm and protects it from external environment. So, who protects and encloses the cytoplasm is, that is the cell membrane. So, the answer is cell membrane. Option B. And the second one, dash contain all genetic information. If you observe the cell, which organelle contain all the genetic information? Nucleus. So the answer is nucleus. Option A. And the next one, prokaryotic cells does not have a well organized. So prokaryotic, its name only. Pro means false, karyo means nucleus. A well organized nucleus is absent. So the answer is nucleus. Option C. And the next one, the cells contain nearly how many number of mitochondria? The number of mitochondria in each cell, nearly 100 to 150. So the answer is 100 to 150. Option D. These are formed of proteins and RNA. So which cell organelles are formed of proteins and RNA? Ribosomes. So the answer is ribosomes. Option A. And the last one, in mature plant cell, this occupies overall the cell size. So if you observe the well-developed plant cell, which cell organelle occupies all the space? Vacuole. So the answer is vacuole. Option B. And coming to the question and answers, explain the procedure to observe the mitochondria. So, to observe the mitochondria, first we have to prepare Janus green pea solution. Okay, to observe mitochondria, we have to prepare Janus green pea solution. Then we have to take a onion. Just take one layer. If you break the layer, then we can collect a thin transparent layer. So we have to collect a thin transparent layer from the onion. So this thin transparent layer, just take a watch glass, and in this watch glass pour freshly prepared Janus green pea solution. In this we have to keep the transparent onion peel layer and keep it aside for half an hour. After that, take this onion peel cell and keep it on a slide and cover it with a cover slip. Then observe it through the microscope. So this is the experimental procedure to observe the mitochondria. Okay. To observe mitochondria, first, we have to prepare Janus green pea solution. onion peel layer. In a watch glass. And pour some solution. What we prepared, that one. And keep it aside for 30 minutes. Then collect the peel on a slide and cover it with a cover slip. Cover slip. And observe under microscope. Next, 8th question. Draw a neat labeled diagram of mitochondria. In just before question, we discussed about how to observe the mitochondria. When we observe the mitochondria through electron microscope, the structure, it seems to be like this. So, it is a double membrane structure. That means it is having two layers. One is outer membrane, another one is inner membrane. So, the outer membrane is straight. If you observe the inner membrane, it is having some folds. So, this folded inner membrane is called as cristae. This cristae is filled with some fluid material, it is called as matrix. Okay, it also contains some ribosomes. And coming to the parts, outer membrane. And it is the inner membrane. So this inner membrane only folded. So this folded inner membrane, it is called as cristae. It is filled with fluid, it is called as matrix. And also it contains some ribosomes. This is the key. All the best, students.